Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good evening to all. Friends, right now I came on live for respond on the one issue which was came on the newspaper, which was came to under light from the Hyderabad city. Friends, one adulterated ghee manufacturing unit was busted by the police officials, you mean especially additional DCP task force and the Srinivas Rao and his team, who they are means the Hyderabad Commissioners Task Force and Golconda team and Musab Task Force. They all were formed with the teamly and they were ride on the fried dairy unit. The who was running the fried dairy unit means his name is the Muhammad Junaid Hussain. He is the 26-year-old fellow. He was running the that fried dairy unit. And in that fried dairy unit, they are doing the adulterated, they are making the adulterated ghee with the raw material means the palm oil and vanaspati dalda and some the low quality substances they are using for making the ghee, that uh, which was the adulterated ghee substance that giving the significant risk to the public health especially, you know and that's why the police officials did that operation. They were raid on that unit, on that time they were confiscated two especially two things. What that means, huge adulterated dairy product and manufacturing equipments, that all the things that worth was a 18 lakh 26,000. You mean adulterated dairy product means what they are means 460 kgs of adulterated ghee and 70 kgs of adulterated mixed ghee and 2040 kgs of adulterated cow cream and 1170 kgs of adulterated buffalo creams. And manufacturing equipment means essential machineries, two boilers and the pushing machines and the packing machineries and two weighing machines and two weighing machines on those small and big, and the four gas cylinders and 70 basins and 25 empty drums and packing covers. These all items they were used for the packing and weighing and all things for they are using. Those all things they were who are the police officials, they were they were confiscated and who was the accused person, Muhammad Junaid the Hussein. He was nabbed by the police officials and he right now under the custody of the police officials. Friends, actually how you are collect and how you are extract, how you are make the ghee means there is a one natural one and one is a artificial. Natural one is we are collect pure cow or buffalo from the cow or buffalo milk. That one is a natural. Which is the artificial means who are they are making the adulterate ghee for they are using the which are the raw materials, palm oil and vanaspati dalda, and which are the low quality substances. That one is a artificials. Anyone before the buying the, I am giving the suggestion to public and people and my friends and my brothers and sisters. If you are buy the ghee, first of all, before the buying the ghee, should be check the, that one is a original or duplicate, that one is a adulterated or that one is a natural, should be check and then after buy and then after consume. That is better to everyone. Otherwise we will get the some health issues, so heart attack and kidney failures and liver problem. When we are consume the adulterated food items, that give the so much of the risk and so much of the health issues. That's why the who are the concerned officials should be check the whether the such type of manufacturing units of the ghee or any food material items should be checked and respite the he hold the one license, valid license, even he did the such type of mistake. How much mistake he was did. He only 26-year-old fellow, he did the big mistake and giving the trouble and risk to the public health. That's why who was the accused person should be take the stringent and strict action should be imposed on him. I won't repeat for this is my humble request to who are the concerned officials, police officials, and who are the concerned officials, such type of units should be check their unit, which type of materials they are using, they are that one good or the faulty one. That's what also should be checked the all the units where they the manufacturing units, ghee units should be checked and every my well wishers should be always cautious and always be aware from such type of adulterated food items. This is my humble request to everyone. Thank you once again. First of all, I am heartfully thank to who is the additional DCP task force Ande Srinivas Rao sir and his team. I am heartfully thank to them for their operation. Thank you. JB.